Hello and welcome to Ujjwalers. Today I am going to talk with my student. Let's ask him his name, and I am going to ask him some questions. So wait and watch the video. So what is your name?
My name is Oyan Patro.
Your name is Oyan Patra. Oyan, in which class do you study?
Do you study?
No, this is wrong sentence. In which class do you study?
I read in class 2.
You read in class 2 or you study in class 2. How old are you?
How old are you?
You are.
You are 8.
If someone asks me that how old are you, I will say I am uh, dash years old. So I am asking you, how old are you? I am.
I am 8 years old.
You are 8 years old. In what? Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Naranpur.
Naranpur. Naranpur is a village, right? Naranpur is a
Village.
village. Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Sujit Patro.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Minakshi Patro.
Okay. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English.
Your favorite subject is means my favorite subject is history. My favorite subject is geography. So আমি আবার জিজ্ঞেস করি, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay, no problem.